A whirlwind of clips opens with a toy sprinkler chasing a cat, while a squeaky voiceover counts down in mock suspense. A motion rubber chicken flinging confetti meets a magician who cannot pull a scarf from his sleeve, sparking loud laughter. A red balloon army sneaks through a kitchen as a grandma dance tutor insists on serious faces while batter splatters. Viewers are urged to drop their poker faces in the chat and promise to return for more chaos next week. The finale sneezes trigger a chorus of squeaky toys and a tiny drum solo that somehow steals the show.